Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, you have done your homework. Students, do your work on daily basis. Okay, on daily basis do your work. Inshallah, after vacation I check all these notebooks. Okay, and after vacation when we solve these questions, you can easily and quickly solve these questions in your neat notebook. Okay, it's a practice for you. Utilize your time, don't waste this time students, it's precious time. Okay, clear student? Okay student, now move towards our today topic. Our today topic is also multiplication. Yeah, multiplication. But today we learn how to multiply two-digit number with one-digit number. In class 2, you people learn this one. Okay, remember? Remember? In class 2. Okay, student. Look at the board. How can we multiply two-digit number with one-digit number? Students, look at what is 48 half. Look at this question is given vertically. We arrange it in columns. 48, the first one number is called multiplicand. Multiplicand, and the number 5. The 5 is called multiplier. Multiplier, and its answer. And the first one lecture of multiplication we learn answer of multiplication is called product. Here we put the sign of multiplication. Okay, so this number, first number is called multiplicand. The second one, the table which you read, is called multiplier. Okay, and we simply say a quantity which is to be multiplied by another number is multiplicand. Okay, okay. Now look at the board. How can we multiply this? Again, we take help from the multiplication tables. Great. We take help from the multiplication tables. Which one table is given, student, here? You read table of 5. Great. Easy table. You can easily read. Okay. We read table of 5 up to, first of all, we start from our ones digit. Again, like addition, like subtraction, we start from our ones digit. Which one digit? Ones column. Read 5 of table up to 8. If you have practice of tables in dodging form, you can easily give answer within seconds. Okay, so perfect your practice on dodging tables. 5 eights are, hurry up student, give me answer. 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are 40. Again 2. There are 40, like addition, two-digit number. So what can we do with 4? There is 40. 4 times 0 ones. Great. We 4 tens and 0 ones. So 4 is carried in the tens column. Okay, because there is 4 tens and 0 ones. How many tens? 4 tens. How many ones? 0 ones. So 4 carry into the tens column. Clear? Okay, now read table of 5 up to 4. This one 4. Okay, not to this one. This is the carry number. We add it in the, when we read the table 5 up to 4, and when the answer is come, we add this 4 in the answer. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. And here look at, any number carry? Yes. This number is 4. So add 4 in 20. 24. 24. So the product is 240. When we multiply 48 with 5, the product is 240. 240. Move toward next question. Okay, we solve next question. How can we solve? Look at the board. Question is again we write the place value for next question. Question is 75 multiply 8. No, table of 8. Okay, this number is called multiplicand. This number is called multiplier. And when we multiply these two numbers, the answer is called product. What is the answer? The answer is called product. Great. Okay, now table of 8. Students, if you people are confused and you don't do like and you can't solve the question directly like on dodging tables, you can write the table for yourself like 80 is 0, but make sure your table practice is perfect and you solve the question directly with the help like dodging tables in dodging form, like you give the answer 8 fives are okay, direct one, not like this. Okay, you are genius one. Okay, 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. We write table up to 5. Okay. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are student. 8 in 16. So 8 threes are 24. Means we add 3 times 8. The answer is 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. If we add 8 4 times, the answer is 32. Are 4 8 times. Okay, both one. 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. Now look at to the 40. Look at to this number. How many ones and how many tens in 40? 0 ones again and 4 tens. So we write ones in the ones column and carry tens into the tens column. Okay. So 5 eights are 40. We write 0 ones and carry 4 in the tens column. Okay. Now move towards 8 fives are 40. No, 7 means we move towards up to 7. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. No, this is your required number. And look it in the tens column. Either any number is carry, there is present. Yeah, number is 4. So you add 4 in 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. When we add 4 and 56, the answer is 60. So, when we multiply 8 with 75, the answer, the product is 600. What is the product? The product is 600. Okay, now solve one more question. Okay. Look at the board, students. Question is 24 multiply 2. Yeah, table of 2. Easy. You can give answer directly in dodging form. 2 fours are 8. Great. Any number carry in the tens column? No. Because when we multiply 2 and 4, the answer is in single digit. 2 twos are 4. Great. Okay. So when we multiply 24 and 2, the answer is 48. And this answer is called product. This answer is called product. Okay, move toward next question. In which 0 comes. Okay. Any number multiply with 0, answer is student. Any number multiply with 0, answer is student. Give me answer. Answer is 0. Great. Okay, now table of 7. 7 0 is 1. 7 0 is 7. 7 0 is 7. No, 0. Yeah, 7 0 is 0. Any number carry? No. 7 twos are. 7 ones are 7. We add 7 two times. 7 twos are 14. That's good. So we multiply any number with 0. Its product is 0. Clear, student? Now you can solve the questions. Sure? Sure, student? Okay. Note down your homework. Your homework is Your homework is do exercise. Students, in your rough notebook, work should be neat and tidy. Okay? Do exercise 2.8. Question number 1 to 10. 1 to 12. Sorry. Question number 1 to 12. Book page 53 in rough notebook. Okay? In rough notebook. Clear? To exercise 2.8, book page 53 in rough notebook. Students, in your book, question is given like this. I solved one question for you people. Then you people follow the method and solve the remaining parts. Okay? Question is like this. 12 multiply 6. 12 multiply 6. Question is given in horizontal order. Okay, you follow the proper steps like give the heading of solution in your notebook. First of all, you write the question, then give the heading of solution. Again, repeat the question. Okay, if you people do your work properly, then you face no problem. Inshallah, when we solve this question in your neat notebook. Okay, again, write place values. Write question vertically like this. Read table of 6 up to 2. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Means 110 2 ones. 110 2 ones. We write ones in the ones column and carry 10 in the tens column. 6 ones are 6. 8 1. The carry 1. 7. So, 6 12s are 72. This is your required product. Clear, student? Student, open your book. Open your book, maths book, page number 53. Exercise 2.8, book page 53, question number 1, look at heading 1, multiply the following question, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. I solved first one question for you people, 12 multiply by 6, and you people follow the same method for solving the remaining parts. And again, student, revise the table. Revise the table on daily basis. Okay, on daily basis, remember dodging tables and do your work neat and tidy in your rough notebook. Take care of your rough notebook like neat notebook and keep safe your books and notebooks. Okay? Inshallah, after vacations, I check all your notebooks. Okay, student? Okay. Thank you.